Okay, here's our Marantz 2330, not the B model, the 2330. Just went through it, changed the little Festoon lights out to the LED version, bought the clear ones. Really, really nice. No more heat, no more having to replace them. Very nice looking clean display on the front with the clear LEDs. Had a little trouble with the volume knobs getting crunchy and that type of thing. So took the panel out and cleaned all that up. Resoldered every connection on the board that looked flaky. Got pretty nice. Check it out. Here's the house we saw. 130 watts per channel. Radio works really well. Very impressed with this. Don't have a very good antenna in here. All the bipin bulbs were replaced also with the standard issue for the indicators. $130 watts a channel really does the job if you get some decent speakers on it. It's like I need to get in there and get that FM tuning dial to be centered. There you have it.